Xiaomi just dropped a flagship that's shaking the smartphone world. It's going straight up against the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Who's got the better display, performance, and camera magic? Stay tuned, just because this battle gets intense. Let's dive straight into the unboxing. Inside the Xiaomi box, we got the phone itself, a 120-watt charger, USB-C type cable, and even clearer case, something Apple have ditched years ago. Meanwhile, with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you will get only the cable and the phone. Instant point to the Xiaomi for the value right out of the box. The Xiaomi flagship is loaded with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, 144 AMOLED display, 1.5 resolution, and massive 6500 mAh battery with hypercharging that goes from 0 to 18 in just 18 minutes. Compare that to the Apple's A18 Pro. Smooth, yes, but Xiaomi's raw power and gaming performance are insane. And that new HyperOS? Super fluid, customizable, and lighter than ever? Oh, and did I mention it's nearly half the price of an iPhone 17 Pro Max? Now the camera showdown. Xiaomi packs a 200 megapixel main sensor with Leica tuning, while the iPhone rockets 48 megapixel triple camera setup with the next gen photogenic engine. Daylight shot? Pretty close. But in low light and zoom, Xiaomi details pop harder. Bottom line, iPhone is still the king of video, but Xiaomi is coming for the throne. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments below. Team Xiaomi or Team iPhone? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more epic tech battles.